Hello, are you tired of heavy, slow, and complicated enterprise software? Today, I'm going to show you MK Nexus, an ad platform that proves how powerful and lightweight modern web apps can be. My name is Mohammed Maksud, and I develop high-performance, browser-based tools that make complex tasks simple. Let's dive in. First, take a look at this dashboard. It's fully built with React.js and Tailwind CSS. Notice the clean UI and Recharts for data visualization. The real magic starts when we create a new campaign. Most tools in the market take time to load, but this app responds instantly thanks to next-level optimization. Localization is the biggest challenge for global clients. That's why I added multi-currency support, including USD, GBP, Euro, PKR, AUD, CAD, JPY, CNY, INR, AED, SAR, and TRY with real-time exchange rate logic. Now, the most powerful feature, AI integration. If you don't know how to write ad copy, no problem. I integrated Google Gemini AI. Just enter the product name, click the button, and within seconds you get an engaging headline and body text. All this happens in real time via API calls. As a developer, my goal is always to reduce heavy backend dependency. Check out this video trimming feature. The video isn't processed on the server. Everything happens in the browser. Users can trim and preview in real time, zero lag. Next is the Geo-fencing module. With interactive maps and radius targeting, users can visually see where their ad will appear. All complex calculations are handled on the front end for a smooth experience. Finally, the live preview system. Clients can see how their ad will look on mobile, desktop, or email. The billing section includes automatic currency conversion and tax logic. If you select PKR, the billing adjusts accordingly. So friends, this is MK Nexus, a fully optimized, full-stack solution. If you're a business owner looking for custom tools or a company seeking React/Next.js experts to build scalable and lightweight applications, connect with me on LinkedIn. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to see how these features are built. Let's build something amazing together.